Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Archie Sankla. Today's video is about everyday makeup look for beginners, especially for someone who's new to makeup. Okay, so let's start. I have applied the moisturizer and sunscreen. I'm firstly starting with the primer. Okay, so the reason I'm applying a primer for everyday makeup is that it helps blur the pores on the face and it gives a flawless look. So I think that's a must have for an everyday makeup look. Also, it gives that smooth finish on the skin. Now I'm using this color corrector from Inside Cosmetics, the orange one for dark circles and around the eyes and the green one for acne and acne scars. I think for an everyday makeup look, we want to look put together and we don't want our dark circles, spots or scars to show too much. So yeah, now I'm using this Lakme Cosmetics concealer and it's a medium coverage concealer. I am using my fingers to blend the concealer. Here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation and a makeup sponge to blend the foundation. It's a medium coverage foundation. Okay, so here I'm not using any compact powder or loose powder. You can definitely use any of them if you want to. But for an everyday makeup look, I personally feel you don't need a lot of products. In the morning, we usually don't have that much time to do a full routine anyway, right? So I'm just keeping it simple. But if you prefer using powder, you absolutely can. And also don't forget to apply the foundation on the neck. Now here I'm using a spoolie to brush the eyebrows. You do it on the upward direction. The blush I'm using here is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Rosy Cheeks. I'm taking a little bit of it and using a brush to blend the blush. I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, on my nose and a little bit on the chin if you want a more pinkish look. The proper way to apply blush is by applying it in an upward direction along your cheekbones. You can smile to see your cheekbones clearly or you can just pout. This helps you apply the blush only on the cheekbones and not all over the cheeks. You can also apply a little bit on the eyes if you want a soft pinkish color on the eyelids. I think a brush like this really helps blend the blush well. It makes the application quicker and gives a smooth finish. Now I'm taking both these shades of eyeshadow which are matte and this fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'll dust the excess off and apply it on the crease and a little bit on my eyes just for a color on my eyes. Now I'm using this Mars eyeliner. I know eyeliner for everyday makeup look in the morning can be difficult, but I do like to apply eyeliner and I do apply sometimes if I have time. I'm just applying a simple classic thin winged eyeliner. Now I'll use this eyelashes curler to curl my eyelashes. I'm really sorry about this, but some clips got blurred while filming. I was using my phone's back camera, so I noticed it later after filming those clips. For mascara, you can use any one that suits you. For a beginner, according to me, Lakme or Maybelline are great options. I'm just applying 2 to 3 light coats on my upper lashes to lift them slightly and that's it. There are a lot of options for mascara available in the market. You can buy the one that suits you best. Now I'm using this Dot & Key lip gloss. I'm not using any lipstick here. According to me, I think a lip gloss works best for me for an everyday makeup look and I feel comfortable wearing it for everyday makeup look. So yeah. I'm taking a little bit of a light brown shade and I'm doing contouring on my cheeks and on my nose. Just a little bit of it, not a lot. Should not look that you've done something but looks natural. So this is my everyday makeup look for beginners. I'm going to post a detailed step-by-step beginner makeup video very soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload it. At the end, you can always do it in your own way because there's no one particular method to follow when it comes to everyday makeup look. Just go with what makes you feel comfortable and see you are beautiful the way you are with or without makeup. Yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video.